Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to practice some magical Excel formulas related paste special. Yeah, guys. So it is it will be very helpful in your journey. That it will reduce your time in a very short period. You can do more and more, much more functions and your work related Excel. So it is very essential, guys, and very helpful in your Excel learning journey. So let me clear one thing, that I also keep uploading my English related videos. So if you are interested to speak English, then you can watch. And along with that, I also keep encouraging youngsters, housewives, and if you are the working professional, anyone, the student, want to grow in your career and want to learn Excel, Power BI, data analytics courses related SQL and Python more, you are guys going to learn on this channel each and everything in free. So don't think much, just start, keep your one step ahead and start learning. You are not going to invest anything, just invest your time to learn and keep growing in your life, in your career. It will be very helpful. From scratch, I am helping you, I am practicing here, so you don't have to go here and then, just keep watching, keep practicing for 10 to 15 minutes on daily basis. It will not only improve your skills but also improve your personality. So guys, keep practicing. Let's get started today's practice session about copy and paste, how it can be helpful, not just simple copy paste. It will be very helpful in a tricky way. So then let's get started. Guys, this is our computer screen, and we are going to practice today something new. As earlier I have already told you about today's function, like that if you want to learn or put your date in your Excel sheet of today, so how it can be work, like that you have to just select the cell and is equal to, and then type today, TODAY, open bracket, close bracket, and just enter. Are you watching, guys? Here this one is today's date you are getting. So for today's date, if you want to keep, anyone want to practice, want to put it, so you can use today's function. And if you want to time with date, so you will have to use equal to NOW, now, open, close bracket, then enter. So this cell is so short, that is why here it's showing hashtag. You have to just drag it and you will get your date and within time here showing, guys. And if you want to make it short, there is also so many, but let it be here. And today I will also, now I'm deleting it, so just write it, note it in your copy, today's function and now function I have practiced today. And in earlier videos I have already told you, this one is today function. We got date, and this one is date with time. We will get it after applying now function. You can see the function here in the function bar, like here, yeah. And guys, next one is copy and paste, something magical and special copy paste you are going to practice today. So be ready and let's get started today's new function. That is, as you are showing here, here is written name, some name, Sushma Verma, Sanjay Shah, Diksha, Devan Shah. So after selecting it, I want to copy it and paste as it is written vertically. Okay, vertically it is written, and I want to write it on horizontally like this. Okay, like this. As it is written vertically, so I just want to write it horizontally. And how it will be? So it will be like after selecting here, just select it, copy it, copy, and try. You have to use transpose. Which function, guys? Yeah, transpose. Just keep in your mind, when we will try to any vertical things in horizontal way, so we will have to try, use function transpose. Okay, so how it will be happen? Just after copy this, here in ribbon, this is called ribbon. Okay, this area is called ribbon. So in this ribbon, yeah, this one is ribbon. Here is showing is paste. Are you seeing, guys? This one is paste. This one is paste. And after clicking this arrow sign in beside the paste, you have to just click that arrow sign, and in the below, the last one, there is an option paste special. There is a last option paste special. Just click on that and you will get so many options here. Okay, how will we paste vertically, horizontally, sorry, this is already in vertically, so we will have to write in horizontally. So how it will happen? Are you watching, guys? There is an option transpose. As it is updated version, so it is showing here in like that. Otherwise you will get on the right, after right clicking, after clicking right, you will get transpose option in paste special. You will get in right click, you don't have to go here and there, but it is as it is updated version, so there is this kind of things. जा बेटा, आ जा। इसको टीवी ऑन कर, टीवी ऑन करो इसको, सब बंद करके, इसको ज्यादा सुना सुन रहा है। टीवी ऑन करो, टीवी ऑन हो रहा है, जा चल, आ जा आ जा आ जा, टीवी ऑन, टीवी ऑन कर जल्दी, आ गया मम्मा, चलो। पता चल गया क्या है। So guys, now we are going to link, copy paste as a link from sheet 1. Here is sheet 1 and this one is sheet 2. So we will link it by copy and paste. What will be change in sheet 1? It will change itself in sheet 2. So how it can be happen? Let's see. So as I am selecting here, Control C. Just select copy and go next cell. Here in paste, go as paste special, and there should be a here is showing a paste link. Just click on that, and are you watching, guys? As the cell was selected here, that is the reason it came here. If you yeah, it has been here. It has been copy pasted here in sheet 2. Are you seeing, guys? Are you watching? In sheet 1, what I have written, it came next seat as it is. And what will we make change as it is linked? So what will we change in seat 1? It will change automatically in seat 2, like that. Here Sanjay Sao. So I am changing Sao in Burma. Okay, we are Burma. So in seat 1 I have changed it. In seat 1 I have changed it Sao in Burma. There is 2 Burma, 2 Sao. Earlier it was Sao. So right now we will going to see and check whether it has been changed or not in seat 2. So guys, this is so magical formula. It has been changed in seat 2 as well. In Sanjay Sao, in Burma, Susma Verma, Diksha Devansha. So like this, that it will work. I am going to see I am going to practice one more time. Seat 1, just click it here and right click, copy, go next seat, seat 2, where you want to paste it. Just select that cell and paste in arrow, and in the below, in the last option, paste is special, then select paste link. It has been come in seat 2. And what we are right now, whether it is working as a link or not, we should check it. So go seat 1 and just change Atik Sao. Okay, Burma, as it is written Burma, so I am now going to change it Sa. So how it is working? SHAW. So right now, after enter, it has been changed in seat 2. Here, are you seeing guys? Are you watching? Here it has been changed, and now it has been also changed because both are linked. You want to, as many times as you can do, you can copy it and paste it so many times, and it will change itself after changing your seat 1. So it is so magical. And the next one is in seat 1. Okay, so we are going to copy it, then copy, go and we are going to here paste as a, here there is an option paste as a picture. Just click on that. It has been come as a picture. You are not going there is no any option that you can change anything. It is like a picture, just to see it. You can't do anything, any kind of changes here, you can't. So this is a picture of this one, and let's see whether we are going to change something, whether it is changing or not. So Verma, no, nothing is changed here. So it is a picture, just as a picture. What you have done in earlier, this will be like that. So it is a picture, and there should be one more option as a, after come copy this one, copy and then go to sheet 2, select any cell, go to paste, then there should be an option like paste as a picture and link, both. It should be both. Here I am not seeing that kind of things. There is no, here is not showing guys. In next video I will show that kind of things. There is one more option, there should be a picture, can be also work as a link. And right now what we are going to do, just in sheet 1, if you right click, there is an option of sort. Okay, By sorting, what you can do, sort smallest to largest and sort largest to smallest, or customize sort. You can also change here, like suppose here is any kind of number. Okay, I have typed here. So I want to sort it. Select it, just right click and sort. Just click on sort, then sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest. What you want to do, and after clicking sort smallest, it will be like that, smallest to largest, smallest to largest, to the smallest number 4 5 5 8 9, the biggest one is the last. And after selecting, just go sort, just go in the arrow of sort and click on largest to smallest, then it will change automatically. The largest one is in first, 9 8 5 5 4 2. So that's how sort will work, sort works. And yeah, for today it is enough, guys. So guys, for today it is enough. There is something special in copy and paste. So go practice it and just explore it anywhere where you want to use it. It will be very helpful in your Excel learning journey. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep shining in your career. Thank you. Bye.